AutoCAD Mobile is an editing and drafting tool that enables users to create, view, edit, and share CAD drawings anytime, anywhere, across desktop, web, and mobile, iOS, Android, Windows, and a web app. Our tool is designed especially for CAD users working on site. You can easily access your drawings, modify it as you need it, and you do not have to carry those heavy blueprints to the site with you. In addition, you can use AutoCAD Mobile to present projects to clients. With AutoCAD Mobile, you can access your DWGs stored on your account. Those are not flat PDFs. This is rich content, accurate with metadata that you can work with. We offer one main cloud repository to all of our tools. You can also connect your AutoCAD Mobile account to external cloud service, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, and many more. In addition, you can work completely offline. You can download the files to your device and work without internet connectivity. We have a customized version for the iPad Pro with full support for Apple's Pencil and a few cool new features. A new way to trim, quick measure, and a new highly accurate version of our Smart Pen. Our goal as a team is to expand the AutoCAD experience, to take all of those traditional AutoCAD tools and to create a new mobile experience. AutoCAD Mobile is easy to get. Download it from your favorite app store.